Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? Today, we about to do an update. Update. Doesn't look like you did anything. What? I know you see this yellow paint. Nope. I see a lemon. It do look like a lemon. That's what I'm saying. You can open up a stand. Anyway, so this is the retrofits interior. I went ahead and used it, obviously. I kind of weathered it. Got it looking how I wanted it to look. Okay, so I guess you got a little update. Okay. So here are the back seats. One of the legs broke off, but you won't be able to see it anyway, so I just left it alone. Okay, so you're lazy. Yeah, whatever. You had all this time. And all you got is... shut up. So anyway, here goes the retro wings kit that I used. You can find it here. They're pretty cheap, but they're highly detailed, so might want to check them out. I got plenty of Eggplane cockpits. So yeah, all I got is the yellow paint, the interior. So I'm obviously not doing it the way it's supposed to be done. Obviously, but it's supposed to be done. Just have to wait and see what it looked like, which would be dang, that's Sunday, ain't it? You know it's Sunday. Okay, that's the last day. Yeah, let me get to work. See you guys Sunday.